What's good, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to explain forex trading in the simplest way possible. Just have your seat, get your pen and paper. Let's dive into the video because I don't want this video to take time. And mind you, this video is not a full course. If you want to learn the full course, you want to learn about forex trading, visit this website that I'm going to call now. If possible, I'm going to add the link to the description box of this particular video. So visit at www.babypips.com. Once you get to the website, click on it and get straight to learn forex. Unless you want to learn any other thing, crypto, the stock market, or blah blah blah. But if it's forex that you want to learn, once you get to the website, you are going to see the learn forex. Click on it and start the course. I promise you, by the time you finish the school of pipsology, you are going to understand how the forex market works. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Check out this site, and mind you, do not read to finish because it is very long. It's a full course. Do not read it to finish. Make sure you are reading it to understand, and the course is very interactive. So make sure you visit the site and learn more about forex trading. Now let's dive into the video real quick. No time. What is forex trading? Forex, which stands for foreign exchange, is the global market where people buy and sell currencies, or we can say where traders buy and sell currencies, and is the biggest financial market with over $7 trillion traded every single day. Every one of us must have participated in the forex market without even knowing. Now let's assume you've traveled outside the country, like you've traveled outside of your country. Let's assume I'm traveling from Nigeria to the United States. If I'm traveling to the United States, once I get to the airport, I will need to change my country's currency, which is Naira, into US dollars, so that I will be able to do some spending when I get to the US, because I cannot go to the United States and start spending Naira. Do you get? So once I change my Naira to the USD, once you've done that, you've participated in the forex market. But the difference with the example I just gave you now is that in the forex market, we are not buying anything physical, which is going to lead us to our next topic. How does forex trading works? Currencies are being traded in pairs, like the GBP USD and the Euro USD. When you trade forex, you are buying one currency and you are selling another currency at the same time. For example, and I am going to use the Euro USD pair for example. Now, if you think the euro is going to go up against the US dollar, if you think the euro is going to go up against the US dollar, don't forget, I'm talking about the Euro USD pair right now. Now, if you think the euro is going to go up against the US dollar, you are going to buy the Euro USD pair. Do you understand? If you end up being right, you are going to make money, and of course, if you are wrong, you are going to make losses. You are going to take the loss. That's why I said it's all about predicting which currency is going to move and jumping in at the right time. That's very simple, guys. So let's dive into the next one, which is why people trade forex. I think people trade forex because the forex market is open 24 hours every day and 5 days in a week. It is fast, it is global, and you can even start small, even with like 10 bucks. I mean $10. You can even start with $5, but I don't recommend $5. But if you are newly starting, $5, $10 is okay, because you are not funding that particular amount to make any money. You are just funding it for practice. Do you understand? So that's why I think people trade forex. This is forex in a nutshell. If you want to learn more, guys, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more friendly beginner video like this. I will catch you guys on the next one. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe.